In this video, we're going to look at body idioms. They're very commonly used when speaking English. Head over heels, completely in love or infatuated. Sarah fell head over heels for her new colleague. Cost an arm and a leg, very expensive. The new designer dress cost me an arm and a leg. Keep your eyes peeled to stay alert and watch carefully. We need to keep our eyes peeled for any suspicious activity. Twist someone's arm to persuade or convince someone. Susan twisted her brother's arm to help her with the chores. Get a head start to begin before others in order to gain an advantage. The early birds got a head start on the hiking trail. To put your foot in your mouth, to say something embarrassing or tactless. Tom put his foot in his mouth when he asked about Jane's pregnancy, not knowing she'd lost the baby. Face the music. To accept the consequences of one's actions. After failing the exam, Mark dreaded having to face the music with his parents when he got home. Catch someone's eye. To attract someone's attention. The colourful artwork caught the eye of many visitors at the gallery. To have butterflies in your stomach. To feel nervous or excited. Before her stage performance, the singer had butterflies in her stomach. Break a leg. Good luck or wishing success. The theatre director told the cast to break a leg before their opening night. Give someone a hand to help or assist someone. Can you give me a hand with carrying these heavy boxes? Put your back into it, to exert physical effort or work hard. The movers put their backs into it and quickly loaded the furniture onto the truck. turn a blind eye, to ignore or pretend not to see something. The teacher turned a blind eye to the pupils helping each other during the exam. Keep your fingers crossed to hope for good luck or success. I'm keeping my fingers crossed that I pass the driving test. Hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. You can join me for one-to-one Zoom lessons at EnglishWithSteveUK.com. And of course, please subscribe to my channel and leave any comments. Bye for now.